Right, so we had cut a box using the old router bit. Now it's time to upgrade to the new router bit and show you how we can do boxes more successfully. Why would we want to change? Well, it's really this simple. Come take a closer look. Okay, so the first router bit that we had used, you can see we haven't cut all the way through the aluminium itself. However, it poses a couple of challenges. Whoops, that's the first one. Having that router bit going a little bit deeper to ensure that you can get the fold while it leaves things nice and clean, unfortunately it's very, very brittle. Now when you're making small things, this might be okay. However, what we really want to focus on is leaving as much of this material behind so we can start to bend this and make really big frames and or boxes. So let's jump into it. Okay, so we've now gone in with the new router bit. You will notice a couple of things. One, we can actually see we've cut just slightly into the aluminium itself, and our board has unfortunately compressed here a little bit. Remember guys, aluminium is quite soft, so there is a compressible factor that's going to come into place, and aluminium, surprisingly enough, can actually stretch when thin enough. So I'm going to pull this guy off here and explain to you some of the advantages about using better router bits for this application. Remember, we used a variety of different router bits, this now being the second. So what we want to try and focus on now is creating stronger corners. You can do this with a 91-degree router bit, and basically what happens is that with a 91-degree router bit, it leaves you a little bit of space to put adhesives so when you fold. But it still doesn't quite solve the problem of getting through really long folds. Now, have a look at how much better this is structurally. Those old pieces, just by me trying to show you how to do the fold, it ended up breaking apart. Now we've got a nice, beautiful radius, which you can see on this edge, and now our box is a lot stronger, but it also leaves us with enough space to apply adhesive. That makes this cabinet, or this box, much stronger than our previous box, because one, we have more aluminium, and we have enough space for our glue. Well, that looks pretty good to me. And as you can see, using the AM.CO router and two different bits, we've showed you the same way, but in different ways on how to make the same thing just a little bit stronger. You could see that this machine, all these router bits, had no problem cutting through this material, especially the aluminium. Actually, on that thought, I've got some aluminium. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because we're going to be cutting some gears.
At AM.CO.za, we sell machines for you, we fix machines for you, and we teach machines for you.